For the customers with special body types, how do we quickly modify the patterns using Bokeh CAD? Firstly, we will add shadows to the original pattern. Then we'll open the size table. The part names in the size table can be used to adjust the shape of the pattern. If this client's chest is straighter than others, we can adjust the size table to adjust the data. We can input different data for different people. The dotted line is the previous pattern. We can see that the length of the front pattern has been modified. All parts associated with it have also been adjusted accordingly. Of course, the rules for pattern changes were designed in advance by us. It is set according to the requirements of the pattern designer, connecting and changing according to the changes in the human body. If a customer's back is too long, we can input the amount that is longer than the standard value. We can see that the length of the back pattern has increased. The length of the sleeve cage has also increased. Correspondingly, the sleeves have also changed. If this customer has a hunchback, we can adjust the hunchback data. We can see that the back pattern automatically adjusts its shape. The degree of deformation depends on the data we input, which is the measured back size of the customer. If this client has a big belly, let's adjust the corresponding parts of the size table. We can see that the size of the front pattern has automatically changed. The slope of shoulders varies among different people. The slope of the shoulders can also be adjusted by adjusting the size table to adjust the pattern. After adjusting the size table, we can see that the tilt angle of the shoulders has become more inclined. Almost all special body types can be changed according to the size table and the rules. Because the point is flexible, we can control the shape of the graph through control points, and because the structure line and the pattern are linked, the folding line of the collar changes with it on the pattern. This way we can adjust the shape of the collar we want by modifying the position of the points. Different patterns have different design methods, which depends on the pattern designer. Let's choose a pattern in the sample library. Add a shadow. Open the size table. The size chart has the date of lapel width and bottom collar. Let's modify the data of the corresponding to parts. We can see that the pattern automatically changes according to the data we adjusted. The logic of all changes in the pattern is determined by the design method of the pattern designer.